The 1/3 rule is one of the most important principles of proper lawn care and helps keep grass healthy, resilient, and attractive throughout the growing season. The rule states that you should never remove more than 1/3 of the grass blade's height during a single mowing. Cutting too much at once places unnecessary stress on the lawn, weakens the root system, and makes the grass more vulnerable to weeds, diseases, drought, and insect damage. For lawns in Waynesboro, where cool season grasses such as tall fescue are common, maintaining a mowing height of about 3 to 4 inches encourages deeper roots, improves moisture retention, and naturally helps suppress weeds. Following the 1/3 rule may require mowing more frequently during periods of rapid growth, but it leads to a thicker, greener lawn with fewer long-term problems. Using a mower with sharp blades is equally important because clean cuts heal more quickly and reduce the risk of disease. Professional lawn care services take the guesswork out of mowing by adjusting schedules to seasonal growth rather than following a fixed calendar. Combined with proper watering, fertilization, and routine maintenance, the 1/3 rule helps homeowners enjoy a healthier, more durable lawn that remains beautiful throughout the year while reducing the need for costly repairs and renovations.